share with you a new tool of SQL import. SQL import system is an external shareware program which able to import master file and transaction to SQL Accounting. For this new tools of SQL Account import version 5, we can import by text file, CSV file, and also in XML file type. First, you may download the tools from here. Then, click the installer to install as usual. Once you've done the installation, and you will see that this is the icon of SQL import version 5. Now, I will guide you how to import master file and transaction in text file to SQL Accounting. Here's a sample of text file with the specification needed of SQL Accounting. For more info, may refer here. To do import, must log on to the relevant company first. Then, double-click this icon to launch the SQL import system. Assume that I wish to import for a blank new company. Always remember must import master file first only, followed by transaction. Example, to import master file of customer, may go to the top bar here and select customer maintain customer. Start with that file to get the customer info which is in text file type. As you can see, the customer list is loaded to SQL import system. But before start import to SQL Accounting, click Verify to have a double checking. Always check the status to make sure as OK. If the status show with invalid setting as shown, please do import or maintain the terms and agent accordingly before import customer info. Once the status verified as OK, then only click Post to Account to import. When this message prompted means import done. Let us go and check out the result. Back to the SQL Accounting system, you can see those customer info being successfully imported. For your info, the CSV file type import is also same steps as text import. Next is to show you how to import in XML file type. Basically, this XML import is used to import master file and transaction that export from one company, then import to another company database. To learn how to export database, may refer video link as below. To do XML import, actually, the steps is similar with text import. First, log on to the relevant company database in SQL Accounting system. Then, launch the SQL import system by double-click this icon. And now, I will show you example on import sales invoice. Go to Sales, select Invoice, click Get File. Remember, must change the file type here to XML file zip. Then select File to be imported accordingly. Followed by click the Verify for checking purpose once those sales invoice lists been loaded. Always check the status before import. When there is some invalid setting like item code as shown, please do remember that you must import or maintain the item code first before you start import the invoice transaction. When the status as OK, then click Post to Account to start import. Again, when this message prompted, the import is done. Back to SQL Accounting system to check the result before continue further import for others document. Well, that's another good feature to share with you on SQL Import version 5. Instead of launch the import tools by manual double-click its icon after log on SQL Accounting system. Surprisingly, there's a shortcut way to launch it in SQL Accounting after install the SQL Import version 5. Just a few simple steps by go to File, select Run, then choose SQL Account Text XML Import version 5. As you can see, it brings you to the import tools directly, and you may start to proceed your import. Please remember that SQL Import is an additional module. Hence, contact your local sales agents in order to purchase or add on this module. For more details, may refer here. That's all for today's video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.